Hi guys, hopefully me making this video makes this next question easier to understand. So the example that we're doing is example page 510, question 7. So pause this video and get drawing the first triangle there. So once you have that triangle drawn, we'll get labeling the sides. So x is our hypotenuse as it's opposite the right angle. And 8 is opposite 42, so 8 is our opposite. Now, just like before, we need to decide, are we using sine, cos or tan? So we have opposite and hypotenuse, so we are using sine. And the angle that we're working with is the angle of 42 degrees, so it is sine 42. And sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is going to be 8 over x. Over to your calculators then, type in sine 42, and that gives us 0.6691. We always get it to 4 decimal places to make it accurate, and then we'll get it to however many decimal places they want at the end. Okay, so now we have a problem, because in the previous questions like this, we had a number below the line and our unknown above. And we just multiply both sides by the number below the line. But the unknown here is the denominator. So instead of multiplying both sides by the denominator, because we can't because it's the unknown, we're going to do a thing called cross multiplying. So we are going to cross this x over to this side and cross the decimal down to where the x was, kind of like a swap. Okay, so we just really have swapped those two. You're allowed to do that. When the unknown is below the line or when the unknown is the denominator, you can do that. Okay, so now into your calculators, 8 divided by 0.6691, and we get 11.956. Now the question wants it to be to 1 decimal place, so that 5 is going to bring that 9 up to 10 really, which will make this 12. So really the answer is 12.0 for x. Okay, so just to recap there, it is the same process as before. We label the triangles, we decide which to use, sine, cos or tan. You make an equation, but it is this step here that is different. When the unknown is below the line, we cross multiply, meaning we swap those two. Hope that helps, guys.